can see, oh Lord. Yeah, my love, one thing.
Sure. What animal is next?
Baby, tell me, how did you get so cold enough to chill my bones? Feels like
Wow, this is your room? It's so cool.
Do they think? Pump it, louder, come on, don't stop, and keep it going, do it. Let's get it on, move it. Come on, baby, do it.
I can't tell no one that I want you. I can remember I want you, and it's just nerves, it's just deep, making me think about someone new.
Every time I feel sad, you show the lights that stop me, turn to stone. You shine me when I'm alone, and so I
want you, we can bring it on the floor. Never danced like this before. We don't talk about it, dance on. Do the boogie all night long. Stolen fast.
do it right, do it right. And if you don't want to dance anyway, give peace a chance. Let the fear you have fall away. I've got my eye on.
I'm lost in the way you move, the way you feel. I look like all you need.
Oh, yes, I said it, 'cause I can. Today I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna lay in my bed. Don't feel like kicking.
Look at you, strawberry cow. You make me go wow. I love it when you mew my name. Can't you hear the bumblebee swarm? I'm watching your horns. I love it when you look my way.
In this world, it's just us. You know it's not the same as it was. In this world, it's just us.
There's a stranger in the bed. There's a pounding in the head. Glitter all over the room. Pink flamingos in the pool. I smell like a minibar. DJ's passed out in the yard. Bobby's on the barbecue. Miss a hickey or rouge. Pictures of last night ended up on.
All on my tongue, I want it. Give me a buck, need the Gucci stuff. Who's your limit? Now you ain't good enough. All your niggas say that you love me. Don't me. All my bitches feel like I died. So don't even fucking with you, feel like jail, nigga. I can't even exhale, nigga. Pussy, holy grail, know that. You gon' make me need bail, know that. Caught dipping with your friend, you ain't even have man lying on your. Know that. Got me a bag for the brick, you know that. Control.
I got plenty things you make a run for shoddy. I love Ed Sheeran, he in love with my body.
Get into it, yeah. Pop out with a truck. Get into it, yeah. If you got a check, get into it, yeah. Like your shit ain't got a butt.
Never forget, get into it, yeah. And I think I just got him.
Get into it, yeah. Pop out with a truck. Get into it, yeah.
If you go to
Get into it, yeah. If she ain't got a butt,
forget, get into it, yeah.
Every time you're loving me. Oh Lord, save me, my drug is my baby. I'll be using for the rest of my life. Don't make me wrong, make me crazy if it doesn't, you ain't doing it right. Lord, save me, my drug is my baby.
Hey guys, so this is only going to be a quick video. So basically, I made a game pass in Roblox and I will be playing Please Donate, and I am just hoping that you guys will donate some money to me, and I'm actually, saving up money and Robux because I normally don't really get Robux. So I hope playing this game would be worth it, and I'm hoping that you guys will be able to donate some Robux to me, and yeah, and I will be playing right now, so you guys can join and you guys can donate, and my username will be in the caption, so you guys can join me. My joins are on, and just please donate some Robux if you can. Thank you. Bye.
What's this? Dogs? Paper dolls? Dog paper dolls? Oh my god! This is an invasion! I'm being invaded by paper dolls. Dogs, paper dolls. Oh my god! What am I going to do? Oh my god! Mon Dieu, qu'est-ce que c'est? Des choix en papier? J'étais envahi? Que je vais faire? Que je vais faire, mon Dieu? Mein Gott, was ist das? Einige Papierwelpen. Ich wurde überfallen. Was ich tun werde? Mein Gott! Mio Dio, cos'è questo? Alcuni cuccioli di carta? Sono stato invasa. Cosa sto per fare? Cosa sto per fare, mio Dio?
Dia de passeio com a Cal. Ai. Que soninho. Mas eu já tenho que acordar. Hoje é dia de ir pra casa da Cal Green. Yay! Agora eu vou me arrumar e depois comer alguma coisa e fazer minha skincare. Qual look eu escolho? Um ou dois? Deixa eu pensar. Acho que eu vou de um. Ai, estou bem arrumadinha. Agora eu vou comer. Minha comidinha de hoje vai ser um pãozinho. Que delícia! Minha boca tá bem seca. Já sei, vou pedir um bubble tea. Bem bom. Quem será que é? Vou ver. Entrega de bubble tea. Nhami, muito obrigado. Tchau, tenha um bom dia. Muito obrigado. Acabou. Tô com muita saudade da Cal Green. Mas, tchau, gente. Vai ter que ter parte 2.
Hi guys, I'm going to be replying to this comment right here. I am owner 1, by the way. So how do you make the bed? So I'm going to show you. All you will be needing is a ruler if you want. This is optional. I just can't draw a straight line very well. A piece of paper, some scissors, some tape, a Sharpie, and then a pencil. Or like whatever you want for your design. So, yes. So I'm going to get this set up really quickly. We will not be needing any of this right now, so I'm just going to set that to the side. First, I'm going to draw a straight line in the middle of the paper. Okay, there's my line. It's not like in the exact middle, but it'll work. So now I'm just going to cut this right on that line. Okay, so this is how big it is. This is one of my little pets, and I would like it a little smaller so you can cut like how much you want off the top depending on the size of your paper pet. Okay, so now that I have the shape that I like, I am going to tape all the sides down but this top so it makes like a little pocket. I'll show you like the result when I'm done. Okay, so this is how it should look. You should have like a little pocket on the inside, just like this. So now you can really do whatever you want with it. So I'm going to make my design really quickly. Okay, so I'm doing like a little cow print, so now I'm just going to color it. Okay, so I didn't end up making design because I didn't really want to and I already have a bed. But I hope this helps and you guys can do whatever you want with the bed and it looks really cool. Bye!